Parents these days are pressurizing their kids to get into the professions what they like, and we want to do what we want to do. So what would you like to tell our parents or the students what to do when this kind of situation arrives?
So, inadvertently, I already answered the question before when I was talking about how to pursue your career. I don't want to say anything to the parents because what I would like to tell you all is how to understand what the parents really want. There's no father or mother who wants anything but the best for their child. Now, you must remember they come from a not smartphone generation era where engineering or being a doctor or being an accountant or doing the family profession was considered the greatest security. You become an engineer, then you just have to worry about starting a family, having a baby, putting your son to school. But every other profession was considered to be risky. So they always wanted, become one, and then they have sorted out their lives and they have sorted out your lives. Their intentions are always good. The problem is today we are much more aware as youngsters. We do our research, we have the ability to do research at the palm of our hand, and we know, for example, let me tell you, if somebody had told me that if you join the film industry and become a hairstylist, I would have said, why would I want to be a barber? I mean, why would I want to be a hairstylist when I can be an engineer? But what if I told you that in Bombay, on a daily basis, the hairstylists get from 7,000 rupees a day to 15,000 rupees a day, depending on who you're assisting. So at the rate of, say, if it's 10,000 rupees a day, you're making 3 lakhs a month. That's the kind of money that nobody can make right off when you start, right? So there are amazing professions. My friends, when they joined engineering, they were disappointed because they got to do what is called oil engineering 25 years ago. Today, those oil engineers are only 18 and they get paid 1 crore every day for just consulting. So, if people knew about these professions, then they'll probably go into it. Our parents didn't know, so you must forgive them, probably make them understand so that they don't go through that agony of thinking, my son is a Vadavakare and he's useless.